Kelly Barlow Creations. Today I am bringing to you my first Dollar Tree haul of March. I think I found some really cute new items that my Dollar Tree is now carrying that I'm pretty excited about. Some crafting stuff for upcoming DIYs. So let's jump into it. Let me show you what all I found, and if there's something that you see that you like, you can keep your eye open for it at your local Dollar Tree. I'm gonna start this haul off with my favorite find, and my favorite find for this haul at the Dollar Tree is this glow art. Yes, that's what this is. It is a mini light bright. How stinking fun is that? The one I had was very dated. It looked like one of those old school computer monitors that were a big tube TV. They have since changed and become a lot more modern and a lot more smaller. Although this is a mini one that the Dollar Tree is now carrying, I thought that this was a super cute, fun find. It comes with a bag of mini pegs and this small box that you put the pegs in. It is battery operated. I'm not gonna put the batteries in right now. It's got an on-off switch here that will light up, so when your pegs are in there, they will glow. How fun is that? These would make a great addition to an Easter basket. These carrot jump ropes for Easter are also for an upcoming DIY, and this DIY is inspired by somebody off of Facebook. Some Spanish moss for an upcoming spring DIY as well. These spring flowers, I picked up 4 bunches, 2 of each. And how this happened, I don't know, but I am running low on twine, so I picked up a 3-pack of this twine. And I sure wish that they had a 3-pack that was all brown because I never use the green twine. These decorative butterflies, these are also for an upcoming DIY where I'm actually recreating a piece that I've just recently seen. 1 pack of this 50-foot floral wire. This will also be used in an upcoming DIY. I also picked up 2 packs of this green colored floral wire because I'm not sure for this upcoming DIY which wire is gonna work better. This gauge is a bit thicker than the previous floral wire that I just showed you, so I'm not sure which one I'm gonna use. Some floral tape that comes in a 90-foot roll, one of these green floral foam rings, and yes, you can expect that there will be another wreath in an upcoming DIY here pretty soon. Picked up one of these cute Easter baskets for my niece because the cute burlap ones are completely gone. I'm glad I picked one up when I did. You can find these in the colors of purple, green, yellow, and this pink with different characters on the front of them. It's been a while since I've seen some new washi tape at the Dollar Tree, and I found this musical note washi tape that I absolutely loved. And this one caught my eye immediately, this wood washi tape. This is awesome. Not sure what I'm gonna do with them, but I can definitely tell that this would be something that I could easily incorporate into a DIY. This 8-pack of these small storage containers. And because I was running low on some Velcro dots, I picked these up because I never know when I'm gonna need them. This Dollar Tree haul, I would say this was probably my absolute favorite find besides the mini light bright. That was my cute favorite find. This is just my favorite find, these notepads. I love notepads. I use notepads all the time because I am constantly taking notes, and it was all coordinating, and it was a style that I just absolutely loved. This notepad comes with a clipboard on it, which is just fun and nifty and makes it easy to write notes on. This 8-pack of note cards with envelopes. Tell me those aren't stinking cute just to send a fun little note or thank you to somebody. A magnetic pad, which is good for the refrigerator. And this notepad and pen, which is something cute to put in my purse because my notepad is down to its last sheets. And I was glad to find this because I always keep a notepad in my purse. This glass candle plate. This is also for an upcoming DIY. Some of this Butcher Boy coconut oil. This is a fantastic buy. I don't typically cook with this coconut oil, but I do use this in DIYs, and for $1, this is the perfect size. And thank goodness Dollar Tree carries it because it doesn't make me feel guilty when I want to do a DIY using coconut oil, knowing that I can get it at the Dollar Tree for $1. A 2-pack of this round floral foam. The measurements are 4.8 inches by 3/4 inches. This is also for an upcoming DIY. And a 2-pack of these wide round containers that I will also be incorporating in an upcoming DIY. I love the dry erase boards that the Dollar Tree has for kids, and every night Allie writes her spelling words on them, and so we use these dry erase pens. She likes these and I like these. And this 2-pack of chopping mats that are a necessity on my craft table, because this is what I use to craft on when I'm painting or using my hot glue gun to save my crafting table. And my last necessity, we were in need of some water bottles. Dollar Tree carries them in 2 different sizes. These are the fun water bottles that actually have the straw inside and the top flips up. They are BPA free, so for $1 you can't beat this. And this is what Allie and Kayla take to school with them, because I usually send Crystal Light or a watered down juice to school with them, and so this is what I send them in. This 2-pack of these 4.8 inch by 3/4 inch round foam. This 2-pack of these round foam. This 2-pack of round foam. This 2-pack of this round floral foam, and the measurements are a 2-pack of this round floral foam. It comes in the measurements of 4.8 by 3/4 8. This 2-pack of these flip top snap, and a 2-pack of this flip top snap wide containers. A 2-pack of these round containers. I'll also be, hold on, my last item. And the last necessity are these BPA free, and the last necessity that I need, and the last necessity we were in need of some water bottles. Dollar Tree carries them in 2 different sizes. These are the fun water bottles that actually have the straw inside. And
I'll help you.
It's like really stuck. Oh. And the top flips up. Well, everybody, that's all I have for you for today for this Dollar Tree haul, my first haul of March. I like to do these hauls because, like I've said in the past, I know that not everybody's Dollar Trees carry the same items, but I like to bring you the items that I find. So if there's something that you see that you like in my hauls, then you know to keep your eye open for them, and it's something that you can be on the hunt for. Please give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, stick around a while by clicking that red button. And if you click it again when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. You can also follow me on Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, Google+, and Twitter. You can find those links in the description box below. Just click on those links, click follow, and you'll also be notified through social media when I'm uploading a new video or just doing something fun. You can also find my P.O. box in the description box below as well, if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy everything on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.